Good afternoon, everyone. So, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So, class 7, as you all know that we are on chapter 13 perimeter and area, and we were doing the last exercise, that is 13.3, right? And we have done till question number 13, right? So, today we have to do question number 15. So question number 15 is the diameter of a circular park is 84 meter. On its outside there a 3.5 meter wide road. Find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 240 per meter. That means question is saying that there is a circular park. Look at the figure, class. There is a circular park. This is a circular park. This is a circular park. But outside the park, there is a 3.5 meter road is constructed. Okay? So 3.5 meter road is constructed outer the circular park. Okay? So you have to find the cost of constructing the road. Cost of constructing the road. So class, for cost of constructing the road, firstly we need to find the area of the road, right? We need to find the area of the road. And what is road? This shaded part is the road. Okay? This shaded part is road. So we need to find the area of this shaded part. So how to find this shaded part area? So first of all, we will find out the area of the park with road. Area of the park with road means this is the radius, and this one means the big circle. The big circle, area of the big circle we have to find. Area of the big circle, or you can say the area of the circular park with road. First of all, we will find it, and after that we have to find the area of the park, the area of the circular park, and then we will subtract the greater circular region to smaller circular region. Then we will get only this shaded part, right? Got it or not got it? फिर से देखिए, firstly we will find out the area, full area means कि पूरा full area of the park with road. Firstly we will find the area of the park with road. Okay, that means full area we have to find. After that we will find out the area of the circular park only. So this is the area of the circular park, and when we subtract the smaller area from the greater one, we will find out we will left with only the shaded part, right? अगर हम बड़े में से ये छोटा वाला एरिया क्या कर ले, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर ले, तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा, ओनली शेडेड पार्ट विल लेफ्ट ओवर, राइट? और यही हमें क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड इफ वी गेट the area of the road, then we will multiply it by 240. Why? Because cost we have to find, right class? So cost we have to find, and it is given that cost of constructing 1 meter square area is 240 rupees. Then you have to find the cost of constructing the road. Okay, so we will find out. This question is exactly same as we have done in rectangular region, right? Rectangular park वाला जो हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन किया था, सेम ये वैसा ही क्वेश्चन है. So we will do the same. But what is given here, class? So class, it is given the diameter of the park is given. What is given? The diameter. Just this portion is given. So diameter is 84. So we will find out the radius by dividing it by 2. So radius will be 42, right? So radius of the park will be 42. But what will be the radius of the park with road? Road is of 3.5 meter. Road की width कितनी है? Width of the road is 3.5. It is 3.5 meter width. ठीक है? So the radius of the park with road will be 42 plus 3.5. 42 plus 3.5, right? So यहाँ से यहाँ तक का पूरा क्या हो जाएगा? Radius of the park with road. Okay? Then we will find out area. Then we will find out the area of the circular park, and we will subtract both the areas. Got it? Same as we have done in the rectangular park. Rectangular park वाला जो क्वेश्चन किया था, सेम वैसा ही है. यहाँ पर कैसा है हमारा पार्क? सर्कुलर है. Okay? So let's start our solution. So solution number, it is question number 15. Right? So solution number 15. So what is given? The diameter of the circular park. Diameter of the circular path. Circular path. It is given 84 meter. 84 meter. But we have to find radius, right? So write down radius of the circular path. So you can say radius of the path. Radius of the path will be 84 by 2. So it will be equal to 42 meter. Radius will be 42 meter. Now we have to find the radius of the path with road. Radius of the path with road. Radius of the path with road. With road. R-O-A-D. With road is equal to 42 meter plus the width of the road is 3.5 meter. So we will write here 3.5 meter. So it will be 42 plus 3, 45.5. 45.5 meter. Now we will easily find out the area of the path with road. So write down here area of the path with road. Area of the path with road. With road. So what will be the area of the path? We will write it as A1. Okay class? We will write it as A1. So area of the path with road is pi r square. So pi r square. We will write it as a capital R. Pi r square. Okay. So value of the pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. And the radius is 45.5. So we will write here 40.5. 45.5 into 45.5. Right? Board is visible to you? Okay. So 7 ones are 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 5s are 35. Now we will multiply 22 into 6.5 into 45.5. Okay. So what will be the answer? So the answer will be 6,506. 6,506.5 meter square. Meter square. Okay. What will come here? So 6,506.5 meter square will come here. Okay. So this is the area of the park with road. Now we have to find the area of the park only. Okay. So write down here and write with the board. Now area of the park. Area of the park. So area of the park, that is A2. We will consider it as A2 is equal to pi small r square. Okay. Pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius is, what is the radius of the park? It is 42. So write here 42 multiplied by 42. 7 ones are 7. 7 6 are 42. And when we multiply 22 by 6 into 42, what will come? 5544 means 5,544 meter square. Meter square. Now we have to find the area of the road only, right? Area of the shaded portion. So we will write here the area of the road. So area of the road is equal to A2 minus A1 minus A2, right? A1 minus A2. So A1 is 6,506.5 meter square minus A2 is 5,544 meter square. Now subtract it. Subtract it. What will come here? 962.5. 962.5 meter square. This is the area of the road, means area of the shaded portion. Class, you have to draw the figure. Okay, all the figures you have to draw in your fair notebook. Now the cost of 1 meter square, the cost of constructing 1 meter square road is 240 rupees. So we have to find the cost of constructing 962.5 meter square road. So we will multiply it by 240, right? So write down here. So area of constructing, cost is given. What is cost? It's 240, right? 240 constructing. So cost of constructing 1 meter square road is 240 rupees, right? So cost of constructing how much? 962.5 meter square, right? So we will write here 962.5 meter square road. So it will be equal to 240 multiplied by 962.5. So it will be 240 multiplied by 962.5 meter square. Okay. So what will come? 2,31,000 rupees. 2,31,000. So cost will be 2,31,000 rupees. Okay class. So this question is very easy. Such type of question we have already done. So I don't think you have any problem in this question. And if you have any problem, you can text to me. Okay class. So this is enough for today, and your homework is, write down your homework. I will check your notebook as well as your practice copy, and your homework is to do question number 14 in your practice copy, right? So write down the homework. Do question number 14. I am writing here, okay? Do question 14 of exercise 13.3 in your PC, in your practice copy. Okay class? Okay everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.